YouTube, what's up? It is the Anonymous Sneakerhead. Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. We are at around 150 subscribers. Let's see if we can get to 200 in the near future, man. Follow my Instagram at Anonymous Sneakerhead. Now that that's out the way, let's throw the intro and get into today's video. Alright, y'all, so I have something just got in. Nike sneakers purchase. Really excited about it. If you guys saw my video 2 videos ago, I think, you saw me try to get the off-white dunks, missed out on them, and then I picked up what to me might be one of the most polarizing sneakers of the year, and also, depending on how you look at it, one of the most slept on sneakers of the year. So without further ado, I'm gonna get into it. You guys read the title, you saw the thumbnail, so you already know what it is. Let's get into it. Alright, first of all, I want to say it doesn't seem like Nike's getting it. It seems like they listen, but they're not getting it with their boxes and having the Nike logo on there. Yes, the big Nike check isn't on the actual box anymore, but if you're still going to use the Just Do It tape, this isn't that subtle. You know what I'm saying? If you're going to use the Just Do It tape, you might as well keep the old Nike boxes. But baby steps, I guess, right? So now let's get into the box right here. Opened it up. You guys can already see the special Jordan box. Bubble paper. And my receipt from Nike is in the box. So right away, these already feel heavy. As you guys probably know why, you already know what they are. Just real quick overlook of the box. We've seen this box multiple times. You get it on a lot of SE Jordans. I think the last pickup that I got that had these was the Jordan 5 Michigan. And here's the label with the QR code. QR code, as you can see, size 12, personal pair. Let's read the label. Air Jordan 3 Retro SE, and the official colorway. This is going to be interesting. Black, multicolor, and dark mocha. Okay, so that's the color scheme that they're going with. That's interesting. I didn't know how they would label it, but boom, here we go. Open the box. Then we get our black paper. There's probably white paper under it. Nope, just the black. Oh, we do have the white under it. Okay. And we open it, and here it is. Bam. You guys can see it right there. I'm going to take it out, and we're going to get a closer look. Feels crazy. Alright, y'all. So here we have it. Size 12. The Jordan 3 Animal Instinct. This is one of the most interesting drops of the year. Now that I have it in hand, this is crazy. I don't really know how to feel about it. It still smells like glue. It doesn't smell like animal. Yeah, y'all, this is crazy. The Jordan 3 Animal Instinct. A lot of people hate this shoe. A lot of the OGs you'll see really don't like this shoe because where's the elephant print on the 3? This is not what Jordan brand is supposed to be. This is something new that they're doing, blah, 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 blah. I personally like the idea of it. It's really interesting to me that they did this shoe without any collaboration with Atmos, something I've been noticing this year. It looks like Nike is trying to see whether it's for the better or for the worse. Leave in the comments if you think it's okay that Nike has been doing this. But it appears to me that Nike has been doing collabs over the past however many years, and then is trying to take elements from those collabs as their own so they could take in all the profit. That's what I'm saying. I mean, you obviously have these where you could obviously see the inspiration from the Atmos pack. I'll put the picture of them up here somewhere. And then you have just this past weekend, we had the Denim Sixes come out, which are sitting as well, like these are sitting. The Denim Sixes came out, but when they did the Denim 4s with the Levi collab, those sold out and resold for a lot. And then we also, earlier in the summer, I think I kind of called it a little bit when I did my Air Force One drop type video, where it looks like they were taking elements from Off-White, even on the box, and that sat as well. So it's just something to keep an eye out on with Jordan brand and Nike in general. It looks like they're trying to take elements from their collabs and use them for their own. But yeah, let's get into the detail of this shoe. So right away, I want to see if it says anything in the tag. Alright, so that says Instinct. I'll get into that. I'm just looking for anything. Let me check the box as far as the materials are concerned, because I know on the 4s that we got earlier, the women's 4s with this similar material, it gave us the there was somewhere that it told you the materials that was used, and this, at least on those 4s, was a pony hair, so that's what I'm assuming this is. They should have gave us a brush for the pony hair. As you guys can see it, you know what I'm saying, it is real hair-ish, hairy. I'll look more into the details of it later, but as you can see, it's real hair. You get that fur feeling, and you get different furs. So we'll start at the heel because that's the most recognizable. You got that zebra pattern around the heel-ish area. Then around the toe mud guard, you have what's either cheetah or leopard. Those of you animal files, you guys know the difference. I know this is supposed to be cheetah and this is leopard, or this is leopard and that's cheetah, or ocelot, or whatever animal. No, something in the big cat variety. And then right here, by where the laces are, we have the tiger print. And these do feel, at least the mud guard and the upper of the shoe, feel like similar material, so they might be the same pony hair, just in different colors. We have the gum outsole with the white and black panel. If you guys know me, you know I'm a sucker for gum outsoles because they keep their look better than any other outsole, obviously other than black. White midsole, you got your bubble right here, and then the black paint. Looks like they did a better job of painting these, but everyone knows how it goes with 3s and chipping and everything. On the tongue, you have this soft, I don't know what I would call this material on the tongue, and the inner liner is more, I don't want to say it's a leather. The inner liner might be a leather. Yeah, it's a synthetic leather on the inner liner, and I say the tongue is more of a satin material with the red Jumpman. So it definitely has the feel of a more premium shoe. It's heavier than your regular Jordan 3 is, a little bit heavier. And then on the tongue, on the inside of the tongue right here, we have the word Instinct, and this is the right shoe. And just to be curious, I wonder if this one says Animal. Sorry, that's the left shoe. Let me see. No, this one says Instinct as well. But yeah, these do have the nickname Animal Instinct. And yeah, guys, it's definitely a dope shoe. Now that I have it in hand, I wasn't sure how it would look in hand. It looks really good in hand. I was hoping that just something that bugs me a little bit, this heel tab in the gum sole would match a little better. The heel tab color is a little off from the rest of the shoe, but it's still a great aesthetic. Definitely one of my, I wouldn't put it in my top 10 pickups of the year, but maybe top 15. Is definitely a good pickup. I could see myself wearing it maybe in special occasions. But let's get into the hype around the shoe, man. So this shoe was announced, and everybody's, oh, I gotta get the shoe, I gotta get the shoe. The hype beasts were going crazy. Oh my God, it's only retailing in 2 stores in Chicago and Los Angeles. I gotta fly out and get them. But nobody knew the numbers on how many would come out, and everybody who wanted a pair got a pair. I believe that even today, if you go on Nike Sneakers app, there's still a couple sizes left of these. I didn't get them till the day after they came out. Like they had a full size run the next day, so they sat for a long time. But why did that hype run out? I think in the sneaker game today, in the culture we have, people value a shoe not off of how it looks, but off of how limited it is. It could be the ugliest shoe in the world, but if they only release 100,000 pairs of them, people will spend thousands of dollars to have them just to say that they're different than someone else. To me, this shoe is still fire. It's still a dope shoe. You know what I'm saying? And there's a rumor that around this time next year, around early December next year, they'll be doing another Animal Pack 3, and instead of animal, like mammal skins like this, it'll be reptile based, so that's cool. So there's a rumor that we may get a pack to complete next year. But yeah, this is something I'm definitely gonna wear. I think people were when they found out it wasn't limited, it lost all of its hype. There's no Atmos collaboration, so they're like, there's no collab, so there's no hype behind it. I'm not gonna buy it. There's nothing to really flip. They retail for $225, which is steep, but that's really what the going price is for these SE Jordans nowadays. But yeah, like I said, so it is an SE Jordan, and you do have the premium materials. It's going to be a real smooth, comfortable ride, I can already tell. I'm going to give you guys an on foot in a little bit. But yeah, let me know in the comments what you guys think of this shoe, man. I'm going to give you an on foot, and then I'll be right back. Alright, YouTube, so you got to see the on foot of this shoe right here, the Jordan 3 Animal Instinct. As I did the on foot, there were a couple things that I did notice. One, I think earlier in the video I said that this felt like more like a leather. The lighting in here is weird right now. My usual lighting setup for this room isn't working right now, partially because of the weather outside. I usually use a lot of natural light when I do these videos. Anyways, I couldn't really tell what was going on in here, but it definitely is satin. You guys can see the red insole in there, which is a nice touch. Brings out the red on the tongue and on the eyelids here. And also, I think I was showing you guys the left foot before. In here, on the right shoe, I don't know if you guys could see it. Pause the video if you can see it right there. But so what that tag is telling you guys right there is that basically what it says is that the upper of this shoe is made of real bovine fur. So what that is cow fur. And it says that the origin of it is from Brazil. So this is all bovine fur on the upper, including the zebra and leopard / cheetah or tiger panels. Those are just colored. But so this is not a vegan friendly shoe. Not a vegan. If any of you are a vegan, I'm very sorry, but this is definitely not a vegan friendly shoe. But yeah, guys, so I still think it's a dope shoe. Definitely slept on. Go get you a pair if you haven't already. But that's it for this video, man. Please make sure to like, comment, subscribe, share the video, follow my Instagram @AnonymousSneakerhead, and I will see you guys at the next one.